titties. What's up guys, I'm back. This is Chris and you're watching FlyRyde, where you're gonna learn more about the parts, techniques, and the business of building custom lights. And today I'm not gonna teach you how to take this angel eye ring and mount it to these GTR shrouds. I'm not gonna teach you that. I'm not gonna teach you how to take this little projector shroud, turn it into that. We mount the parts, we do all the fancy stuff. We're not gonna teach you that today. We're just gonna go back to AeroWorks and keep grinding on this GTR because we've gotta finish it up. I wanna make more of these videos that really dive in and teach you guys stuff. I keep talking about the techniques. Where's the techniques at? I can't get back to any of the other jobs. Not the Supra lights, not the GTR lights, not the WRX lights or the Genesis Coupe lights. All these lights that we have to finish up and teach you guys about along the way, we can't touch them. The reason is that car has to be finished, so I'm gonna stop yapping, get back on the road, and take these wires that I stopped by the shop to pick up and go install them. I miss you, FlyRyde. I miss you.
Once again, your phone says that you're busy.
2 combo burritos, please.
Thank you much. Have a good day. Combo burrito, you're my only friend.
Once again, you tell the same old story. Yeah. It's all on me, should stop with all the doubts. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. And I have no illusion you're going to lose me. Finally I'm taking enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma. Your karma, time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know.
Man, I had no idea what I was getting into when I agreed to this one. I'm just so sorry for everybody that's waiting for me to finish this, because it feels like it's never gonna stop. But I can say it's coming along nice, it's a beautiful job, and since I'm documenting it all, I really feel like it's gonna be able to help me and others down the road in talking about it and just, I don't know, reflecting back about how the biggest project I ever took on was something that just snuck up on me. And that can happen. And I'm adjusting on the fly right now, and I have this beautiful GTR that'll be finished up soon, and we'll just keep on moving.
Taking enough, 'cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Days are going fast. I got here 5 hours ago. I can really only work 4 or 5 hours at a time here because I ended up sitting in a total of about 4 hours of traffic. So it's like I said yesterday when I got in the car, it's like, cool, let's go sit in traffic, good times. So, but Underglow's dialed. Man, so much stuff is done on that car, but the journey continues.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the